Look guys, turkey body is eating her own egg. Looks like he got something to eat. Pretty smart guy. Come on. Show your move, man. Where are you going? Come back. That smells turkey. This is the food, the rice. That's the water. Turkey. So this is the place they stay at night. You can see it's dirty. Look guys, turkey body is eating her own egg. Oh my god. See? You see that? It has been raining since couple of days, and now it's not raining. Some of the eggs might have get wet because of the rain, and this is a rare phenomena. See, you can clearly see she's eating that egg. Oh, guys, it's hard to understand why she is eating. She's hungry, or she never moves from this place. She always stays here. Oh yeah. Look guys. I don't know how to describe this phenomenon. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Look. There are too many eggs. See, you see that? That one? Oh. That's the male turkey. He looks pretty undisturbed. Oh, you can clearly see she's sitting there. Look at this. She's going for another one. Oh. Mosquito. It was raining really heavily since morning. It's been a continuous process. One day it will rain, next day no rain. In the afternoon, again the morning there will be rain. So from few days the turkey was laying eggs in our place safely, and when she was laying eggs on inside this house, this house, but she was looks like she was undisturbed. She was in a lane, but we saw a lot of the eggs that she was laying where she was eating it, and then we decided to shift the area. Then after that she lay eggs there, and my father made some space where the all could stay in one place. Some small bucket you can see there, like a bamboo, and then she has been laying. I can't remember for how long she has been laying eggs there, but she has been laying eggs for many days, and I thought she will not eat the eggs, but she might be hungry, I guess. But there is no shortage of food which will make her hungry. No shortage of water, food, but it's hard to believe why she is still eating the eggs. I don't know. No idea about that.